Hello guys, it's Sai here again from All Creator Hub channel. Today video, let's do the unboxing for Insta360 Go Ultra Creator Bundle. What we can get with this tiny guy. Let's figure it out. Hello guys, after take out the black box, let's see what we get from inside this guy. Here we go. Plastic for the packing. Get the camera for itself. Quick release mount guy. Throw it away. Pivot stand. We're gonna see it later on. Here, 2-in-1 selfie stick. The camera itself. Let's have a look. Here we go. The camera. A piece of paperwork. Oh, guys, pivot stand and then USB-C cable. Here, the head clips, and here, guys, the camera body monitor. Here, quick release strap. That's it guys. Let's see for each individual usage. You can check in the upper video. This is for the unboxing. If you like it, give me the thumbs up and hit the subscribe guys. I'll see you guys next time.